What's going on, people? Sunday morning. Today's a bit of a different one. The halogens on the bike, the main flash has gone, so we're changing it to LED. I don't know if you can see the top one with my hand, the top one there. We're changing it to LED, and now the bottom one, we're also going to change that to LED. I've got my mechanic, shout out him, come through, because I can't be asked to do it. Hold on a second, let me show you the old halogens, or the original that came with the bike, and then you've got the LED. Get that out of there, please, because I can't do it with two hands. And this one is the new one, LED H7 bulbs, a little bit of an upgrade. Right, what do you want me to do?
Switch it back on, give me your tips. Is that one lit up?
Nah. I might have to start the bike.
No, you don't.
Oh yeah, there you go. Hold on. It's working already.
The error freezing it.
LED. Right, that's one side. We're going to do the other side and I'll show you at the end result. This is the original 501 bulb. And what we're going to change it to is the LED equivalent.
Canvas freeze.
Hold on, where's my hand? That's the old one. And that is now the new one going in. So
the canvas error freeze.
Canvas what?
Error free.
Canvas error free.
Yeah.
There we go.
So it picks up on the bike straight away. We've got adjusters on there, innit?
So this is it before we remove it. So H7 bulb. We're going to remove that power connector and then remove the bulb.
This is your main power.
Yep.
So what you do,
pull that out slowly but carefully.
Like that.
And then that
don't tug on it so you rip the wires out. Pull it slowly.
I'll hold that to the side.
So it's like that. This pin here, push it in.
That bloody thing's in the way.
It's the pin, fam.
And out comes the H7 bulb. There's the old halogen H7. That one's actually working, but the other one, the main beam, actually blew, hence why I'm changing them. That's the old one, which nothing wrong with that one, but we're going to get rid of them. We're going to upgrade to a H7 LED. Okay, the other side, small bulb, is on working.
501.
Yeah, what he said, 501.
501.
That now, we'll show you where that goes. That's got to go.
Put it on the front lens.
In. There's the top one. The top LED has been changed. And that one is coming through here.
Log ya.
And in English, what he said basically, bingo. So,
It's done.
Start the bike, it's in neutral. Just hold down the red button, innit? Red button there. Make sure the green light's on. Yeah. There we go. Give me a flash from that one there. Nah, it's not flashing.
Light charge. How you do light charge?
It's not flashing.
24 hours later.
Right, people, we've got all the lights in. LEDs top and bottom. LEDs top and bottom. Let me give you a little flash.